What's good, YouTube? I am pretty fired up right now. Okay, so here I'm just gonna get right into it. Those are the results: $2,500 in 1 month on that many views. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. I'm not gonna do any of the bullshit of these people who are literally just brain dead, have never done this, and their entire business is talking about it and not being about it. All these people will have affiliate links and other garbage in their videos and have never done it themselves. So, I mean, like what even? Look at this dude. So, anyways, here it is. I'm gonna show you point blank exactly how to make money with YouTube Shorts, just like this, just like I'm doing right now. So, here's what you're gonna want to do. You're going to re-upload TikToks to YouTube Shorts. Now, instead of me just saying that, because any dude could just type that into ChatGPT and just talk about it, I'm gonna actually show you. Go to TikTok, okay? You're gonna go to TikTok, you're gonna eventually find a niche, and you're gonna find the content that you want. Once you have that, you're gonna take the piece of content and you're going to copy the link of the content. You're gonna go to TikTok link downloader. You're not gonna use SnapTik. Most people never even do this stuff, so they don't even know why you don't use SnapTik. The reason why is when you paste the link into SnapTik and you click download, you have to watch an ad to download in HD. I've actually done this before and I still do it. This is why I know this is not the most efficient way to do this stuff. Go to SaveTT, does the exact same thing, paste the link, you're gonna download it, then you're gonna go to MP4 to MOV converter. Free convert is the one I use. Put it in there, download it, get it to MOV. The reason you do that is so the audio is not distorted. Now you have a piece of content. Now here is exactly, this is the only person you'll need to look at for this example. You don't need to look at a bunch of different other people. I'm not gonna give you 1,000 different channels that may or may not be doing successful. I know for a fact this person right here, FitFix, is making like insane money, hundreds of thousands of US dollars. He has over 3.5 billion views and he started in April. Now you wouldn't know this because I don't know where I think they took it away, to be honest, on YouTube. I think they took away the about section. This guy started less than a year ago, literally in April, and has over 3.5 billion views from when I was tracking him, okay? Only short form content. This is the exact thing he does. He goes to TikTok. He downloads a piece of content. He converts it, that's how he downloads it or whatever, converts it, and then he takes that piece of content and he goes and puts it into an editing software. I am 99% certain he uses this one. It's the one I use. It's the one everybody can use. Premiere Pro, okay? Just look up Premiere Pro. You don't need all the Creative Cloud apps. You don't need any of this other BS. You don't need a thumbnail maker, none of it. Just get Premiere Pro. It's $23 a month. If you're making thousands a month, 20 a month or whatever it is, doesn't matter. Okay, you have to get it through your brain that there are costs in businesses, and if you're not willing to spend like $20 a month, then just click off this video right now. Like it's over for you. So download this. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your piece of content, you're gonna upload it into Premiere Pro. There's probably 1,000 tutorials on this online anyways. You're gonna watch what this person does. This person is making money on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, all three, okay? By YouTube's guidelines, okay, by monetization guidelines, it is considered a new piece of content and it's considered to be transformative content and monetizable if the video has new value or is considered to be a new piece of content. I'm gonna slash through all the BS. Just make commentary over it, okay? Commentary, auto add captions, download Comica Access. It's completely free. You don't need to buy anything. Download it from here, upload it into Premiere Pro. You can do whatever you want, doesn't matter, but just get a decent font. You're going to take these pieces of content in Premiere Pro. You're going to upload them, talk about whatever you want. You can find, if you really care, you can look up facts about like the person that it is, or like if it's an elephant, you can make up some random fact about elephant or whatever. It doesn't matter. You literally can talk about whatever you want. You just have to transform the content, okay? So do that. You can auto-generate captions. You can look all of this up on YouTube. It's really easy. Auto-generate captions, and then add an effect so that it's bouncy. So like really quick, you see how this is like bouncy text? Like that takes literally 5 minutes once you understand it. So just look up on YouTube how to do that. You're gonna upload this to a YouTube channel. Now, if it's a brand new YouTube channel, one of two things is gonna happen. Number one, you're gonna get 0 views and it's gonna be a dud. This is why I recommend, if you have a channel that has at least some, what am I looking for? Like it's been around for a little bit. Like it's not like you're gonna create a new Gmail and create this bitch like right now. Like you've watched a few videos on it or whatever. That's a lot more likely it'll start to actually get views. That's number one, what's gonna happen. Number two, you can upload the exact same quality video as this person who has over 2 million subs. He has like, I want to say 500,000 on TikTok and like at least 100K on Instagram. You can upload the exact same quality stuff and you're not going to get the same amount of views. I promise you're going to get less views than him. You have to do this repeatedly every single day for at least a month, at bare minimum. And most people who watch this video are going to say, okay, yeah, cool, whatever, bro. And then you're going to probably going to like look up Premiere Pro. You're going to say, okay, well, this costs $20, F that. And then you're going to go on about your day. Then in about a month or two, when you're bored and have nothing to do, and that random thought in the back of your head comes in of, hey, I suck, you're probably going to come back and then download this and then probably start to scroll through TikTok. And then maybe a month or two later, you'll upload your first video. That's why you people don't succeed at this shit, because you don't put in the work for like it takes you a year to do 3 months of work. It takes you 2 to 3 months just to start. Okay? If you really want to fucking succeed, click off this video, download Premiere Pro, download a few videos from TikTok, upload them. Okay? So actually do something, don't just talk about it, actually be about it. And then make money once you've put in the work consistently for months. If you do this for 3 months and you still suck, then you didn't work for 3 months. So that's it. I'm just pissed off at how just all, like these people are so dumb and y'all fall for it every single day. Like these people, 189K views, 105K views, 842K views, like this dude's whole business model is literally to funnel you into his description, get you to buy his course. Like that's the whole thing. Like just stop. Like just, you've watched this video, rewind it, do the steps, and fucking put in the work before you start complaining about how you're unlucky. That's it. Ecom Lifter. Peace.